How to turn off the ad blocker in Chrome, or where you can find the ad blocker extension in Chrome, how you can remove it. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the perfect steps. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so here just open your the Chrome browser. So there is a few steps I will show you. First step, just go to this three dot option, go to the settings. Under the setting, just come to the extension tab here, and here you can see the all your extension, and out of this you have to find the ad block. So here you can find your all installed extensions. So this is my ad block or ad blocker, you can say. I can turn off it temporary, so I can off it if I need in future. So I can turn off it temporary, or I can simply remove permanently from here. Okay, you can download you can install again from the web store, but you can remove from here permanently, but you can and you can opt the from here temporary. Okay, so I just remove it. You can remove from here. Okay, I don't remove it, so show you the another steps. You can remove from here, or you simply go in this puzzle icon, and here you can find your all installed the your all extension which you have installed. So just click on three dot and just you can remove from here. Okay, I just off it, that's why it is not showing here. Okay, I just on again, so you can see it is showing here, and I can remove from here. I can go for manage extension from this link. You can see I can off here from here also. Okay, so you can simply go to this puzzle icon, and if you want to remove it permanently, you can remove from here. And if you want to temporary off this, I show you the first steps. Go to the extension manager and just off from here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.